My name is Trevor Thiessen. I'm one of the co-owners here at Redekop Manufacturing. I look after the commercial operations side of the business. Our company focuses on making equipment for the harvest side of farming. We make equipment that bolts onto combines to help farmers harvest their crop more easily, or one of our main products is to help farmers reduce the amount of weeds in their field. We manufacture all of our products here in Saskatoon. When we took over the business in 2014, 70 to 75% of our sales would have been in Saskatchewan. We're now about 80% export and only 20% would be Saskatchewan. In terms of export markets, Australia would be our #1 market, and the US, Europe are very close, and we're just starting in the last 2 years in South America. When we design a piece of equipment, we're thinking about the European farmer to the Australian farmer and everything in between, and we're trying to make sure that equipment will work in all those conditions. Exporting is a core part of our strategy. In terms of Step's role in kind of our lives, they were amazing. Like, they just had a wealth of knowledge, and I'd be like, well, who would I talk to about getting distribution in the US? Well, here's 10 names, call these 10 guys. And these 3 guys are gonna be your best guys because of the kind of products they already specialize in. They're kind of like your first building block in your export development plan. Our passion really comes down to helping farmers produce more and produce it more efficiently, and that's what gets us up in the morning and keeps us innovating and developing new products for the farmers.